Welcome to your English shadowing practice. In this exercise, you will listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it aloud. Try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and tone as closely as possible. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on speaking clearly and confidently. After each sentence, you will hear a short pause. Use that time to repeat. If needed, you can pause and repeat the sentence again. Practice daily to improve your fluency, confidence, and speaking ability. Let's begin. I need to improve my English. I want to be more confident. I try to practice every day. I have to focus on my goals. I must be disciplined in my routine. I aim to become fluent in English. I am working on being more consistent. I need to complete my tasks on time. I want to learn new skills. I try to speak English daily. I have to wake up early. I must be careful with my time. I aim to improve my communication. I am working to be more confident. I need to build strong habits. I want to be successful. I try to stay positive. I have to manage my time well. I must be responsible for my work. I aim to achieve my goals. I am working on improving my skills. I need to practice speaking. I want to be fluent in English. I try to learn something new every day. I have to stay focused. I must be patient while learning. I aim to become better every day. I am working to improve my confidence. I need to understand concepts clearly. I want to speak clearly. I try to avoid distractions. I have to complete my assignments. I must be active in learning. I aim to stay consistent. I am working on being more disciplined. I need to prepare for my exams. I want to improve my vocabulary. I try to read daily. I have to improve my skills. I must be focused on my studies. I aim to become confident. I am working on speaking fluently. I need to manage my time better. I want to achieve my dreams. I try to practice regularly. I have to stay motivated. I must be ready for opportunities. I aim to improve every day. I am working to build confidence. I need to stay consistent in learning. I need to improve my pronunciation. I want to speak more naturally. I try to listen carefully. I have to understand clearly. I must be confident while speaking. I aim to speak without fear. I am working on reducing mistakes. I need to improve my grammar. I want to express my ideas clearly. I try to think in English. I have to practice daily. I must be serious about learning. I aim to become a good speaker. I am working to improve daily. I need to stay focused every day. I want to improve step by step. I try to stay consistent daily. I have to follow a routine. I must be clear while speaking. I aim to communicate effectively. I am working on my speaking skills. I need to practice more. I want to learn faster. I try to stay motivated daily. I have to improve continuously. I must be confident in interviews. I aim to speak fluently. I am working to improve my communication. I need to speak without hesitation. I want to become better every day. Target practice daily for fluency.